Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ring Alarm app and remove from verified phone numbers step by step clearly. To uninstall the Ring Alarm app, start by locating the app on your device. If you're using an iPhone, press and hold the Ring app icon until it begins to jiggle. Tap the small X that appears on the corner of the app icon. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the app. For Android users, go to your device's home screen and locate the Ring app. Press and hold the app icon until you see the option to uninstall. Select Uninstall from the menu that appears. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Once the app is uninstalled, you may want to remove your phone number from the Ring app. To do this, open the Ring app on another device or through a web browser. Log in to your Ring account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Look for the option labeled Verified Phone Numbers or similar. Select your phone number from the list of verified numbers. Follow the prompts to remove your phone number from your account. Confirm the deletion when asked to ensure your number is no longer associated with the Ring device. After these steps, your phone number should be successfully removed from the Ring system. Ensure that the app is no longer installed and that your phone number is no longer verified. This completes the uninstallation and removal process for the Ring Alarm app and your phone number. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.